Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. So today we're going to be talking about some new stuff that I have picked up at Sephora over the last month or so. Some of these things I have already used, some of them I have not. I usually don't shop quite this much at Sephora over the period of a month, but I had some gift cards and stuff. So anyway, let's just go ahead and get into it. First thing that I picked up was this Fenty Beauty set. This is the Balm Baby set. It comes with their two most popular products, which are the highlighter in Hustla Baby. See if I can get this open. And then also the Fenty Glow universal lip gloss. This is $23, so I thought it would be a good way to try both products. I was more interested in the lip gloss, and I do really like the lip gloss. I think that this definitely is universal. I can see why everyone loves it. Smells really good. It's just like a juicy kind of a smell. I'm sorry for these stains on my arm. I just filmed a review video on the Kristen Leanne palettes, and some of the swatches wouldn't come off. So anyway, this is the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I do really like that. The highlighter, I'm not as crazy about. It's not quite right for my skin tone. It's a little bit yellow, kind of deep for me. It is pretty, but I don't know. I'm not crazy about it. I kind of wish I had just bought the full-size lip gloss. The full-size lip gloss would have been cheaper. Next thing I picked up was the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Touch hand cream. You know, I love the body wash and the body butter. This stuff is amazing. It smells exactly like the body butter. It soaks right into your hands, so it's not greasy at all. I was using my body butter for my hands, and now I have hand cream for my hands, so it smells so good. I love this stuff. Definitely recommend that. Next thing I got, I haven't really gotten to play with this yet. This is one of the new Prismatic sticks. What is it called? Prismatic multi-sticks from Bite Beauty. I got the shade Pink Pearl, which these are supposed to be for eyes, lips, and cheeks, and I felt like Pink Pearl was the only one that I could actually use on my eyes, my lips, and my cheeks. So love this packaging. It's like that magnetic. Woo, love that. And here is the color. Super pretty. So pretty. And you don't have to make it this opaque. You can just do one swipe and it's much lighter than that. So I think it could work as a glimmery blush. Also, it can work on the eyes, I think. And I have used it on the lips, and I do really like it on the lips. It's like a nice topper. And then the next thing is this Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream. I just had to try this because I love the... I love all of the stuff from the Hello Fab line. Everything that I've tried, I love. So I got this, and I love this as well. Smells just like the primer, if you've tried it, that beautiful coconut smell, and that is the consistency. It's definitely a lightweight water cream that will just soak right into your skin. So your skin will just drink this stuff up. I really feel like this type of a cream is good for all skin types, but particularly for combination or oily. But I have combination with a little bit more dry skin, and I really like it. It's very similar to the Urban Decay Hydra Springs. I don't remember what it's called, but their moisturizer that they came out with last year, and that one's a little bit cheaper, so you might want to consider that one instead. But this is also a really good moisturizer. And next I got this. I got this when it came out. This is the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some New Lip. It's all cruelty-free. I love it when they come out with Sephora Favorite sets that are all cruelty-free. So that's awesome. You actually get two full-size products in here. It was $28. I'm wearing one of the full-size products on my lips today, and my favorite products in here are actually the two full sizes, so that's kind of awesome. So that is what it looks like when you open it up. We'll just kind of go through here and swatch everything on the hand. I'm sorry, I have somewhere to be pretty soon, so I don't have time to do lip swatches. So this is the Prismatic lip balm. This is the mini plumping lip balm lip treatment. I don't really feel any plumping with this. It's just it's a nice tinted balm. I think these retail alone for $12 on the Trestique website, but Sephora doesn't carry them, so that's a terrible swatch, but that is what it looks like. There definitely is a visible tint. I just kind of do 1 or 2 swipes very carefully because, you know, it's like this giant lip balm, but it does feel really nice on the lips. It has a nice, like, minty kind of scent to it, and I've been pretty happy with this product. And the crayon thing is, like, super cute. It just makes me think of my childhood, so I really like this. And then the next thing, this is what I have on my lips today. This is the Marc Jacobs Night Mauve's Lamarck Liquid Lip Crayon. I love this. It is, I don't like liquid lipsticks in general, but I really do like crayons and pencils and stuff, and this is, it's better than a liquid lipstick because it's a crayon. It's so silky smooth. It doesn't like completely dry down or stay matte, completely matte or anything, but it's just very comfortable, and the color is absolutely gorgeous. I believe this retails for $26 by itself. So if you like this color, if you want to try this product, then just that alone like makes this set, I think, really worth it. Okay, so this next product I wasn't really sure about because it is kind of a brown sort of shade, coppery kind of lip product. This is the Smashbox Always On Metallic Matte in the shade Exo Velada. I don't really know what that means. If you know, please tell me. But anyway, this is what it looks like, and I was pleasantly surprised with it. I actually didn't think it looked bad on my lips. It's a really pretty color. And it's very, very shimmery, so I would recommend wearing this like when your lips are in good condition, when you're well hydrated, because if your lips are really chapped and dry and everything, it doesn't look that great. It's kind of crepey and stuff. But if your lips are like okay, this is actually a really pretty color. So I was quite surprised and quite pleased with this. The last 2 things are from Fenty and Huda Beauty. So the Fenty is one of their new like matte lipsticks. I don't like this. It's just way too dry for me. This is in the shade Candy Venom. It's this beautiful like pink, like bright pink, kind of red color, but more of a bright pink. It's really drying, so I'm not a fan. I'm happy I got to try it, but I've used it like twice, and I can't keep it on my lips because it's just too dry. And then the other thing, this is pretty. This is the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe in the shade Snobby. This is the first thing I've ever tried from Huda Beauty. Now, I've only used this like once. So I'm just going to put some on right now. It's really pretty, but it's not my favorite like topper. It's pretty comfortable. It doesn't have a smell to it. It's not like too gritty or anything. It is pretty, but I have others that I like more, like from Butter London. It's nice, but it's not my favorite product in here. So overall, that little set is a really good value. And then I also just picked up this Nest Wisteria Blue fragrance. I love the Nest fragrances. This is another good one. The thing with Nest fragrances, though, is they actually do have a really strong lasting power. Like they will stay on all day, so be careful not to put too much on, I guess is my point with this. It smells so good. It's this beautiful like floral, like tropical floral kind of scent with a like little hint of like freshness and fruitiness to it. It smells really good, but too much of it will give me a headache and make me feel kind of sick, so I do have to be careful with this one. I also picked up the Farmacy lip balm. I'll put a picture or something in here, but I think I left it in my car. It's a very comfortable lip balm. It's only $10, so it's cheaper than the potted lip balms that they used to carry, but I guess they discontinued. It's a honey butter lip balm. It's very, very moisturizing and feels lovely, and you know, it's a stick form, so you can like roll it up and slap it on, which I love. And then I did also want to share one of the like codes that I used. This is the Hourglass Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick in the shade Champagne Flash, which is this kind of pearly gold kind of a shade. Like, not pearly gold, it's more of a champagne. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's really pretty. I'm wearing it today. It did actually break up my foundation in between my eyebrows, but on my cheeks, I really liked how it looked. I haven't like tested the wear time or anything, but it is really pretty. It's not something I think that I will buy a full size of, because I just don't use cream products that much, but I will probably go through this whole little sample size. So that's everything. Let me know what you guys have been trying from Sephora lately. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!